change your oil. First, you'll need an oil filter wrench, a socket wrench, a funnel, some rags, some new oil, a new oil filter, an oil pan, a jack and a pair of jack stands. Before you do anything, drive your car around the block to warm up the oil, as it will be much easier to drain. Step 1. Support your car with a jack and jack stands. It is very important your car is securely supported before crawling on its knees. You may need a friend to help. Step 2. Locate the oil drain plug on the underside of the engine. Then place the oil pan under the plug. Step 3. Remove the plug by hand and watch out for the rush of hot oil. If you get some on your skin, wash it with soap and water. Let the oil drain into the pan. This may take a while, so find something else to do, like dust the car. Now where were we? Step 4. Wipe off the drain plug and the plug opening and reinstall the plug. Remember to start threading by hand to prevent cross-threading. Tighten with the socket wrench, but make sure not to over-tighten. Step 5. Remove the old oil filter with an oil filter wrench and reposition the oil pan underneath to catch any remaining oil dripping. Step 6. Screw the new oil filter and place it by hand. You may need to tighten the oil filter with an oil filter wrench. Now, it's time to finish up! Step 7. Locate the oil filter cap on top of the engine and remove it. Place the funnel in the opening and pour in the new oil. This may take a while, so find something else to do, like have an air hose pipe. Now, where were we? Ah oui! Step 8. Replace the cap and run the engine for about a minute. Then check the dipstick and see if you need to add more oil. Step 9. Pour the used oil in a plastic container after it cools. Make sure to dispose the used oil properly at either a recycling center or an auto repair shop. Don't pour it on the ground or in the sewer. Step 10. Record the date and mileage after you change the oil so you will know when the car is due for another oil change. Make sure to clean up when you are done. Congratulations! Now celebrate!
Remember, to see exclusive photos and videos, visit FrenchMailTV.com.
Send your questions and comments to
contact@FrenchMailTV.com. And as always, thank you for watching French Mail TV.